This 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 22 MLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 26 feet 10 inches in length and features a Driftwood interior, sleeps 4, TV, microwave, external shower, skylight, refrigerator, stove-top burner, leveling jacks, air conditioning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 22 MLS is 5,920 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.